Green Bunch Cafe. Bunch Cafe and Florist. Beautiful place. Just had to fix one fridge here, and just the controller was buggered. Fix some lights, rewire some lights, fit some switches to some lights so they can turn them off. Just fitted, made up this, fitted it. What a beautiful place to work. Customers fitted and made their own grills. It's hot under here, look. It's freaking hot. It's a cafe, florist, sitting area. It's just beautiful here. Beautiful place to come and have a cuppa and buy some flowers. It's lovely. Got a little library. What a wonderful place. Green Bunch Florist and Cafe in East Vic Park. Just glorious. And there's a shitload of flowers and stuff inside as well. But some customers, you know, they think about things and taking the front covers off to allow for ventilation. So good. And they made little, you can see in this cover, that's a little holder for the controller. So good. Wish all customers are like this. Look at these nice grills. This is a hot area. And look, they've got little things to sit the controllers on. Freaking nice. Oh, perfect. Certainly gives them a chance in summer. Oh, little covers. These ones are old, but yeah, they're good. Just finished that job at the Green Bunch Florist and Cafe. Beautiful place to work. They had one faulty fridge, just the controller was faulty. Had to fix some lights, put some run some new cables, fit some light switches. But I've been going there for many years, and it's just a joy. It's just a joy to go there. Beautiful place to sit down, have a cup of coffee, read a book. It's a real popular place in summer. Well, actually all times of the year, but mainly in summer. And anyway, I could think of much worse places to go to. It's 37 degrees today, pretty warm. It's late November. What is it, about the 18th, 17th of November? Yeah, she's getting pretty warm. But those fridges are all rentals, and the customer, it's a really hot location where the fridges are, and we took all the front covers off, and the customer made up their own wooden grills to allow for, just give the fridges much more ventilation. Some customers are really good like that, and at least they're prepared to help, know that their fridge is in a hot location, and made their own grills. And it looks good as well for the place where it is. Okay, I'll move on to my next job.